another type of cell division, that is of meiosis. Meiosis, meo means reduce, and to half. The number of chromosomes will be half after the completion of meiosis. Meiosis occurs in the reproductive cells. Reproductive cells which form gametes. If the 4 n number of chromosome or 4 chromosome is there, or 4 n number of chromosome present in the parent cells, that will be divided into 2n and 2n. In meiosis, karyokinesis of meiosis divided into two successive meiosis. Two meiosis. Few meiosis there, that is meiosis first and meiosis second. That karyokinesis is of two, karyokinesis is of there, that is meiosis first and meiosis second. During the first meiosis, during M first, chromosomes reduced to half. And genetic variation is also occurred. And genetic variation occurred during the first meiosis. During meiosis first, and that process is known as crossing over. Meiosis first में genetic variation आती है, that is genetically different due to the crossing over. During meiosis first or M second, that is of equational division. That is equational division. वो equational division होता है जिसमें number of chromosomes same तरीके से divide होते हैं, that is 2n and 2n or 2n and 2n. अगर यहाँ 4n है तो यहाँ 2n 2n रह जाएंगे, but that is of equational division. In this M second or meiosis second, the sister chromatids divided. Sister chromatid divided. सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स जो होते हैं वो डिवाइड हो जाते हैं, परंतु नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम सेम रहते हैं. सो इट इज नोन एज हेटेरोटाइप डिवीजन. That is reduction division. Meiosis first is of reduction division or heterotype. और ये इक्वेशनल डिवीजन या इसको also known as homotype. होमोटाइप डिवीजन इसको कह सकते हैं. During that meiosis second, only sister chromatid will be divided, not the number of chromosomes will be reduced to half. Now, the first stage of that karyokinesis, that is of M1, meiosis first. Meiosis first, it is further divided into 4 substages, that is of prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. The first one is of prophase 1. It is the longest phase of meiosis. Prophase 1 is the longest phase. It takes 90% timing of the meiosis. Prophase 1 takes 90% timing of that meiosis, it is subdivided into 5 stages. It is subdivided into 5 stages or 5 phases. First one is of leptotene. Leptotene. The leptotene derived from lepton. Lepton means fine thread. Fine threads. The chromosomes looks like fine threads. That's why it is known as leptotene. During the leptotene, the centrioles already divided. Centrioles already divided हो चुके होते हैं during the interphase, and astral rays appears on these centrioles. Astral rays appears on centrioles or on poles. पोल्स पर सेंट्रियोल्स के पास एस्ट्रल रेज एपियर्स होना लग जाती हैं. क्रोमोसोम डिफरेंशिएट फ्रॉम क्रोमेटिन फाइबर, और क्रोमेटिन फाइबर डिफरेंशिएट इनटू chromosomes. And this looks like fine threads. They are long. Fine thread. They are long fine threads. These are like this. This is the cell. Okay. This one is of nuclear membrane. This is of nucleus that present in the leptotene, and the chromosomes looks like fine threads, like this way. I draw here 4 chromosomes. These look like fine threads. Then next is that is of zygotine. Zygotine. Zygotine is that pairing. So the homologous chromosomes comes lie side by side. Homologous chromosomes. What is the homologous chromosome? Now here we discuss about the homologous chromosome. What is the homologous chromosome? If we see the human being, that is 46 chromosome is there, and we can say that is 23 pair chromosomes there. And these 23 pairs, that is the homologous chromosomes. From 23 pairs, one comes from mother, one pair comes from mother, and one set of the chromosomes comes from the mother, another set of chromosome comes from the father. So that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. These are the 23 pairs, and these two, one number of chromosomes that having similar type of information, that is known as homologous chromosomes. So here 23 homologous chromosome is there, or 23 pair homologous chromosome present in the human beings. So during zygotine, these homologous chromosomes comes lie side by side, come lie side by side, पास पास आते हैं, लाइट साइड बाय साइड इन पेयर, in a pair, and the pairing of homologous chromosomes, pairing of homologous chromosomes called synapsis. This pairing of homologous chromosomes is known as synapsis. Paired homologous chromosome known as bivalent. Paired homologous chromosomes that is bivalent. दो दिखाई देने लग जाते हैं, that's why these are known as bivalent. क्रोमोसोम अगेन शॉर्ट एंड थिक, और छोटे होते हैं थिक हो जाते हैं. क्रोमोसोम शॉर्ट एंड थिक, तो छोटे और मोटे हो जाते हैं. शॉर्ट एंड थिक बट the chromatid is not visible. Chromatid not visible. Chromatid not visible. Chromatid not, छोटे और मोटे हो जाते हैं परंतु इसमें chromatid अभी भी दिखाई नहीं देते हैं. The pairing of homologous chromosomes is of 3 types. Pairing 3 तरीके से होता है. The 3 types of pairing present in the zygote stage, that is of pro-terminals or pro-terminus from center to terminal position. Suppose these are the 2 chromosomes. So first their centrioles comes like, then their terminal position, that is known as pro-terminus. Procentric, second one is procentric, means that first that terminal position comes like side by side, then towards the center, that is the procentric. Pro-terminus यानी सेंटर से टर्मिनल पोजीशन पे यानी सेंटर पोजीशन पास आता है, फिर दोनों टर्मिनल पोजीशन आते हैं, that is pro-terminus. Procentric means पहले टर्मिनल पोजीशन पास आता है, फिर सेंटर की तरफ सेंट्रोमियर पास आता है, procentric. And in that another type of, that is intermediate, means that not definite pattern is there, कोई particular pattern नहीं होता, that is of intermediate. So 3 types of pairing is there, that is of pro-terminus, procentric, and third one is of intermediate. Zygote, which looks like this. Here these are the centrioles. This one is of nuclear membrane, this is of nucleolus. These are the 2 homologous chromosomes which comes like side by side. This one pair and this one is of another pair. But their chromatids is not visible. These are short and thick, but chromatid is not visible. And this centrioles again move towards the poles. These are the astrogalids which formed here. This is the zygote. And the third stage is of pectine. Pectine means thick. Thick means chromosome और छोटे और मोटे हो जाते हैं. That is the pectine. Chromosomes continue shorter and thick. कंटिन्यू, शॉर्टर एंड और छोटे और मोटे हो जाते हैं। क्रोमेटिड स्लाइटली विजिबल, क्रोमेटिड स्लाइटली विजिबल, थोड़े थोड़े क्रोमेटिड्स दिखाई देने लग जाते हैं। A group of homologous chromosomes, a group of homologous chromosomes looks tetrads. Tetrads means in each pair of homologous chromosomes, that is 4 chromatids is there. That's why it looks like tetrads. That 4 chromatids is there. The 2 chromatids of same chromosome, 2 chromatids of same chromosome called sister chromatids. And the 2 chromosomes of different chromosomes, 2 chromatids of different chromosomes, that is non-sister chromatids. Non-sister, जो होमोलोगस पेयर के अंदर एक ही क्रोमोसोम की 2 क्रोमेटिड होते हैं उसको सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स कहते हैं, और दूसरा जो होता है दैट इज द नॉन-सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स. Now, here the most important phenomena or event is occur during the chitin, that is of crossing over. Crossing over occur during this phase. इस फेज के ड्यूरेशन में क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है. क्रॉसिंग ओवर मीन्स द म्यूचुअल एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम्स. सपोज दिस इज द 1 chromosomes, these are the 2 sister chromatids of this chromosome, and this is another chromosomes of the homologous pair. So this is a 1 homologous pair. So these 2 are sister chromatids. These 2 are the sister chromatids, and this one and this one, this is non-sister chromatids. Non-sister chromatids. So this is clear. What is the sister, and this is the 1 homologous pair. These 2 chromatids of the single chromosome, that is sister chromatids, and 1 chromatid of this and 1 chromatid of this, these are known as non-sister chromatids. Now, the crossing over occurring during this stage, crossing over, that is the mutual exchange. Some portion of this chromosome transferred to this, and some portion of this chromosome transferred to this. This is known as crossing over. Mutual exchange होती है, जिसकी वजह से after the meiosis, or we can say after the this division, the chromosome will not identical, same नहीं रहते हैं. यहाँ पर mutual exchanging हो जाती है between the non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome. It is occur through the breakage. Breakage. That process is known as micking. Micking. Another is of reunion. Reunion, and that is annealing. यानी micking के through, or we can say breakage के through, some portion of the chromosome will be cut, and through the annealing or reunion process that will be joined together. तो इसका पोर्शन कुछ इसमें आ जाता है, इसका पोर्शन कुछ उसमें आ जाता है, and crossing over occur at the place where these 2 chromosomes is joined together. This things or this place is known as काइजमेटा. यहाँ जहां पर क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है वहां पर स्पेसिफिक रीजन को काइजमा कहते हैं, काइजमेटा फॉर्मेशन होता है. सो दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओवर occur during the Pectine. And if we draw the diagram of this stage, this is the nuclear membrane, this one is the nucleus, these are the chromosomes. Here sister chromatid is not visible, but here these are visible. This one is your centrioles. Now the next stage is of diploid. Diploid, during the diploid, homologous chromosomes start to separate. Homologous chromosomes start separating, एक दूसरे से सेपरेट होना लग जाते हैं, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड डिसजंक्शन. डिसजंक्शन, डिस जो सेपरेट होना लगते हैं, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डिसजंक्शन. Chromatids more thick, condense and more thick, condense and more thick, clearly visible tetrads or bivalent. Separation is not occur at some places. Separating is start, but separation is not occur at some place. Separation is not occur at some places, or that point is not as at some place. That point, that place of the point known as chiasma or chiasmata. That separation not occur at some places where chiasmata is there or chiasmata formation is occur, and the actual point where it's crossing over is occur. तो काइजमेटा जहां पे बनते हैं वहीं पर क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है, तो उसी जगह से दो क्रोमोसोम होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम सेपरेट नहीं हो पाते हैं. एंड द लास्ट फेज ऑफ मियोसिस प्रोग्रेस फर्स्ट, दैट इज डाइकाइनेसिस. Dikinesis, it is the last stage. Chromosome more condense. Chromosome, if I draw the diagram of previous stage, that is of diploid. Here, diploid. This is nuclear membrane, nucleus. This one is of centrioles. Chromosome more thick. This is one pair, this is another pair. That clearly bivalent condition and tetrad condition. Bivalent means single chromosome looks like bivalent, one or two, and tetrad. This is the tetrad nucleus. Okay. Slow. dikinesis. Dikinesis, chromatin chromosome more contains more और ज्यादा छोटे और मोटे हो जाते हैं. Chiasm meta disappear, through terminalization, disappear through sliding, and this process is known as terminalization. स्लाइडिंग होकर के बाहर निकल जाते हैं. दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज टर्मिनलाइजेशन. नाउ न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन disappear, nucleus disappear, nuclear membrane और nucleus disappear हो जाती है. I draw here the last phase diagram. So this is nuclear membrane disappear, nucleus disappear, the centrioles reach on the poles, and this is the one homologous chromosome. This one is of another pair was, and this is another pair here. So this is the dikinesis. तो टर्मिनलाइजेशन प्रोसेस के थ्रू chiasm meta डिसअपीयर हो जाते हैं. दोनों क्रोमोसोम अलग अलग हो जाते हैं. होमोलोगस पेयर, देन फ्रॉम न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन न्यूक्लियस डिसअपीयर हो जाते हैं, सेंट्रियोल्स पोल्स पे पहुंच जाता है. दिस इज द डाइकाइनेसिस.